In today's video, I will teach you how to remove people in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, in the toolbar, right-click on the Quick Selection tool and select Object Selection tool. With this, create an outline around the subject that you would like to remove. Once the subject is selected, simply click on the Select tab on the menu bar, Modify, and Expand. The value that you must input here depends on how big your subject and the resolution of the image is. So, you have to experiment on the value until you get something like this. If you want to redo the expansion, simply press Ctrl Z on your keyboard and do the same step once again. Once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and click Edit and select Content Fill Aware. If you want to remove more subject from your image, you can go ahead and repeat the same steps. And if there are misplaced patches around the area where the subject used to be, simply use the clone tool to fix it. To do so, click on the clone tool at the toolbar, change the size of the brush, and press Alt to get a sample. I highly recommend getting your source from the area around the patch, but it depends on your image. Once you're ready to fix the area, go ahead and click on the area that you would like to replace. And there you go. You can now remove subject in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.